Are you a content writer looking to automate your process? Or are you looking to increase your productivity by producing more amazing scripts in a short period of time? Then, stay tuned as we'll be exploring an amazing tool that can help you achieve all these and more. Introducing WordCraft AI, the go-to tool for creating top-notch written contents like blog posts, sales copy, and so on. From automatically creating content containing images for your marketing strategies to writing full-fledged blogs, WordCraft has you covered. This tool provides comprehensive keyword research, SEO-optimized articles and blogs, ability to post content generated with it directly to WordPress with just a click, lots of AI tools to assist with different writing instances, predefined templates, and lots more. All you need to do is select a writing tool, input product details, generate the content. Let's see a demo. From the tools list, select blog content. I want this tool to write us a blog. So, let's select blog post writer. Produce a blog post on 5 best AI tools. Keyword is AI. We need to log into an email to generate our blog. Let's do that. Click on Generate Title to create a catchy title for the blog post. The top 5 AI tools every professional should utilize for optimal efficiency. Sounds like a good idea. Our blog post needs an introduction. Let's generate one for it. If you find an intro you like, select one. If not, you can generate more intros by selecting More Intros. Select an intro and proceed to generate an outline for the blog post. Tap on Regenerate Outline to get more options. Outline works like subheadings. So, select everything you want to be developed as a subheading in the blog. We've passed in our basic requirements. Let's now let WordCraft perform its magic by tapping Generate Full Content. This may take a few minutes to generate. And it is completed. We've been able to go from a one-sentence topic idea to a fully developed blog post in less than 5 minutes. You can delete an outline you no longer need, start it afresh in different words, or let WordCraft develop it some more. The choice is yours. You can copy your latest blog as a text or HTML and paste it on your site. This process is the same no matter the writing tool you select. Just select the tool, let WordCraft know your preferences in the suggestions it makes. Prompt it to generate the content and you're all set. I'm so excited about this, I don't know about you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Also like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting updates. Bye.